Given the buzz around Tesla's 3-for-1 stock split and the price's significant increase since the start of July, it's possible that many investors are paying attention to the electric vehicle manufacturer's stock. Is now the right time to purchase this growth stock? Or are the shares of the quickly expanding company already valued in the best-case scenario? What's good, you guys? This is Market Thrive, and today, we're going to be talking about Tesla's new feature that many may not know about and why we think it's a good time to buy their stocks. Before I start the video, I would just like you to do me a favor by just hitting that subscribe button and the bell notification down below to keep you updated on this channel. So without further ado, let's hop into it. Despite the fact that Tesla stock has a high price tag, some investors may not recognize how well-deserved it is. When compared to the company's appealing mix of a sound financial sheet, unmet demand for its automobiles and rising sales, the valuation does appear to be pretty reasonable. Yes, the price of Tesla shares is high when compared to other traditional valuation criteria like price to earnings and price to sales. But there is a reason why the stock is trading at such a high premium. How attractive Tesla's fundamentals are cannot be overstated. Take a look at its war chest of money. Cash and cash equivalents totaled $18.3 billion on the company's balance sheet. At almost $7 billion, trailing 12-month free cash flow is likewise noteworthy. This is an increase from just $2.7 billion in 2020 and around $5 billion in 2021. Sales for the business are also growing. Revenue over the past 12 months is $67 billion, an increase from close to $32 billion in 2020 and roughly $54 billion in 2021. The management also anticipates further excellent growth. For the foreseeable future, management has in fact repeatedly directed the production and unit deliveries should rise at an average rate of around 50% yearly. The fact that some models' delivery dates for new Tesla orders placed on the company's website have been pushed back to April of next year shows that demand is still strong and that Tesla management isn't lying about its projections for increased sales. Additionally, it's important to keep in mind that even though Tesla has already generated a sizable amount of annual revenue, one might make the case that the car company is only just getting started. The market for gas-powered cars has always been seen by Tesla management as its addressable market, not the niche market for electric and hybrid cars. And this assessment of Tesla's potential market is more accurate than ever given how practically every major automaker is currently embracing electric vehicles with significant investments. How huge is the market for vehicles exactly? Global vehicle sales are predicted by J.D. Power to be about 80.8 million in 2022, a year where new car sales have been slowed by issues with the global supply chain. Tesla's 2021 unit deliveries of less than 1 million units demonstrate how much room the business has for expansion. Even better, Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated at the most recent annual shareholder meeting of the business that when the new automakers increase their advertising for the electric cars, it actually increases demand for Tesla's cars. Because electric car adoption is still in its infancy, a lack of consumer knowledge may be the main barrier to growth. The potential for Tesla's rapidly expanding energy sector is another factor. Musk has stated that he believes the company's energy sector would someday be competitive with its car sector. But the main reason why we think Tesla's stock is a good buy at the moment is because of their latest feature. Let's take a closer look. In light of the weekend's record-breaking heat waves, dog owners are being extra cautious while taking their four-legged companions on road trips. Everyone should be aware that you should never lock your dog in a car, even on a sunny day, and that a hot summer day would be far worse. And don't even consider leaving your car on while the air conditioner is running to grab a few things while you dash inside a store. Without a car and a man's best friend waiting for you when you get back to the parking lot, you are welcome to leave. Even though you can't always rely on it, if your animal is a service dog, it might be possible for you to bring it with you. For owners of Tesla electric vehicles, convenient high-tech feature could be a game changer. A Tesla driver may occasionally need to pull over for a snack break or exit the vehicle to complete some errands when they have their pets along for the ride. Tesla owners may put in the back of their thoughts the concern that their dog will be sitting in the car while it is hot outside. Model Y, 3, S, and X now come standard with Tesla's interior climate control dog mode. Drivers can adjust the temperature of their vehicles when outside the vehicle thanks to the function known as dog mode. It differs from other internal combustion vehicles in that the temperature can be adjusted without the car being in motion. Pet owners whose animals enjoy riding along in the car will appreciate being able to activate the dog mode and know their pet is secure while doing errands. Drivers can put a message on the wide center screen of vehicles equipped with the dog mode to inform onlookers that the temperature is adjusted and that the dog or other pets are not in danger. It would be challenging to determine whether a pet was safe given that there wouldn't be an engine operating due to the lack of an engine sound. If there is not enough power to keep running in dog mode will also send a notification to owners. Tesla's premium connectivity, which costs $9.99 per month or $99.99 per year, is not necessary to use dog mode. It is an option. Tesla customers may access LTE functions beyond Wi-Fi and receive real-time traffic information thanks to premium connectivity, which offers supplemental services. Tesla improved on the dog mode by introducing camp mode, which enables users to continue using the EV's other amenities such as music, gaming, and entertainment while also maintaining the temperature of the vehicle. This new function might be useful for travelers this holiday weekend. It's best to manually lock the car if owners plan to doze off because camp mode disables the auto lock option. To avoid having to constantly unlock the car while camping, auto lock is disabled. When compared to the electricity needed to run the entire EV, the power required to operate the dog and camp modes is relatively low. For an 8-hour period, the battery loses 10% of its power. To activate dog or camp mode, the battery must have a minimum charge. The car will send a notification to the driver's smartphone if the battery power drops below 15% since it needs that much power to go to the next charging station. The minimum charge required is 20%. Camp mode can keep drivers comfortable whether they are driving a long distance and intend to stop to sleep throughout the trip or are simply growing tired and need to pull off to relax. The EV will continue to power USB ports when in camp mode, enabling the usage and charging of electronics, allowing drivers to enjoy all of the car's capabilities if they had no intention of traveling, such as when they were camping and the heat made it too uncomfortable to sleep in a camper or tent. The back seats may be folded down so that the driver can watch a movie in perfect comfort while pulling out a pillow, travel mattress, or blanket. Parents waiting in a pickup line for their children will find camp mode to be useful. While waiting in line for child pickup, drivers can save energy while still resting comfortably in a heated or cooled car with entertainment for smaller children. Therefore, is Tesla worth its current 110+ price to earnings multiple? Shares might not be cheap at this point, but they might still be decently priced for investors to think about adding the stock to their portfolio as a tiny investment. So how long do you guys think it will last? If you like today's content, you'll sure love our previous video on how Elon Musk provided the US Air Force with hypersonic E-jets, which you can find in the description below. Feel free to jot down your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like. And if you want to stay updated in our posts, hit that subscribe button as well. Once again, this is Market Thrive, signing off.